Welcome to Video Connect TV. We are here to help you navigate the exciting world of entrepreneurship, money, and new trends.
Today, we have an incredible story that will leave you amazed and inspired. Meet Hilda Baci, a fearless Nigerian food entrepreneur with a dream to make history. She's about to take the culinary world by storm and etch her name in the prestigious Guinness Book of World Records. Hilda had her sights set on surpassing the previous record for the longest cooking marathon held by Indian chef, Hilda Tandon. 87 hours and 45 minutes was the bar to beat, but Hilda had a bold plan in mind. She aimed for an astonishing 100-hour non-stop cooking extravaganza. The stage was set at Amore Gardens, and on that fateful Thursday, May 10th, Hilda embarked on her epic culinary journey. From dicing and frying to cutting and baking, she pushed herself beyond the limits, fueled by her unwavering determination. As the clock ticked away, Hilda's passion for cooking merged with her unyielding spirit. She wasn't just breaking records, she was rewriting history with each passing minute. And as the significant mark of 87 hours and 50 minutes approached, she had already secured her place in the Guinness Book of World Records.
This is Video Connect TV, your #1 entrepreneurship channel. Want to take your business to the next level and make extra income? Then, subscribe to Video Connect TV now.
Hilda had set her sights on something even greater. She personified the can-do spirit of entrepreneurship, proving that with passion and dedication, there are no limits to what you can achieve. Her journey exemplifies the very essence of turning dreams into reality. Hilda's inspiring journey teaches us vital lessons that every entrepreneur should embrace. Through her determination, she shattered barriers and proved that success comes to those who are willing to work tirelessly for their dreams. Entrepreneurs, take note. When you set your mind to something, when you truly believe in your abilities, you have the power to achieve greatness. Hilda Baci's story is a testament to the fact that passion, hard work, and unwavering focus are the keys to distinction. So let's raise our glasses and celebrate Hilda Baci's remarkable feat. She has not only secured her place in history but also become an icon of tenacity, purpose, vision, and determination. Her message is loud and clear if you want to achieve something in life. Especially if you want to take your business to the next level, set your purpose and pursue it relentlessly. Remember, dreams do come true, but they require grit, perseverance, and a dash of culinary magic. Join us next time as we bring you more captivating stories of extraordinary individuals who are changing the world.
Are you tired of complicated and expensive software programs that promise to boost your online business but end up confusing you even more? Look no further, because we've got the solution for you. Introducing our affordable and simple-to-use softwares, courses, and services designed to help you take your online business to the next level. Say goodbye to endless hours of frustration and hello to a more streamlined and efficient way of running your online business. The programs are user-friendly and easily accessible, making it a breeze to get started. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or just someone looking to enhance your online presence, our products are designed to meet all your needs. From software, to courses, to services, we've got it all. See for yourself how our products can help you reach new heights with your online business. Click the link in the description and get ready to be amazed. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.